In this video, we are going to learn the Kali group, means potassium group. So if you haven't watched out the other group studies in our channel, so please do watch other group study and get learn with all group studies. Coming to the Kali group constitution. Kali groups are heavily built, stalwart and robust. Gain weight and old looking. Gain weight and old looking, and black rings around the eyes. The black rings around the eyes. Temperament. Mostly, Kali group are phlegmatic. Most of the Kali group remedies are phlegmatic, except the Califos is a choleric temperament. And coming to the thermals, Kali group is chilly. Diathesis, rheumatic and gouty. And coming to the miasm of the Kali group is anti-syphilitic. The sphere of action of the Kali group. It acts mainly on tissues and the muscles, especially the heart, and the nerves, especially the vagus nerve, and gastrointestinal tract and the respiratory tract. And coming to the important remedies that covers some important remedies of the Kali group or Calibake, Calicarb, Calibrome, Calisulf, Califos. And coming to the mentals of the Kali group. Just remember the mentals and physicals with a simple mnemonic. The mentals with a mnemonic is, just remember the potassium. P O T A S S I U M. So please do subscribe the our Beats for Homeo channel and makes the subscribers count to grow and be part of the growth of the Beats for Homeo. Beats for Homeo is always students' way of learning. P for the prostration of mind. O for the oversensitivity, very sensitive to touch. T for another O for the optimistic. They are the closed, does not share anything to any. They are closed, they do not share anything to others. If they want to achieve, they will achieve it by 100%. They achieve what they want. And the T for the timid. And A for the anxiety. And A for the anxiety all the time, especially in morning and about future. And as for the sleeping tendency, does not feel refreshed. And dull sleepy all the time. And another is for sadness due to delayed menses. And I for the impulsive and indifferent. And U for the duty conscious and M for the morning mania. Now coming to the carry group physical symptoms. At this Kali group, physical symptoms can be remembered by a simple mnemonic. And the physical symptoms can be remembered by just remembering the mnemonic trembling. Just remember the word trembling. Now remember the word trembling. T R E M B L I N G. T for the trembling of T for trembling of thighs, trembling and twitching of thighs and knees. And R for the rheumatism, inflammation of joints with the deformities, especially in hips and knees. Especially in hips and knees. And E for the edematous, everywhere and especially around the ankles and eyelids, and swelling medial side of upper eyelid. And M for the muscle weakness, and M for the muscle weakness. This is also especially thighs and sacroiliac joint. And B for the blackish of external parts, loss of sexual desire, I for the inflammation, and N for the night aggravation, and G for the discharges or copious, thick, yellow, tough. So if you like this group, Kali group with a simple mnemonic too, so please do watch and other group studies, and thank you for watching, and please do subscribe Bits for Homeo.